Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to book a flight on KLM. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to klm.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you don't already have an account, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and book a flight on KLM. But first of all, let's see what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home, my trip, check-in, and information. In the top right corner, you have everything about your own profile and your details. And in the middle of the screen, we have an option where you can go and book a flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and book a flight on KLM. So first of all, what you need to do is, as you can see, go to the home screen. And of course, go and enter your departure city, travel dates, and number of passengers, which you can go and do here, where you have the book a flight. After that, you just need to go and click over to the search or the continue button, which is here, and then choose the flight that best suits your schedule and preferences. Fill in the required details for each passenger, such as name, date of birth, and passport information. Then select your preferred seats if available, add any additional baggage if needed, and proceed to payment and enter your payment details to complete the booking. Once the booking is confirmed, you'll receive an email with your flight details and booking reference number. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.